Recycling shipping containers to construct buildings is becoming popular, not only with homes, but also shopping centres around the world. You might know Box Park in London or the Stacked Market in Canada. I'm on my way to see South Africa's take on this new trend.
Hi there, I'm Kanye. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button to follow me for more travel and lifestyle videos. Well, today I'm in Melville, a suburb in the southern part of Johannesburg, and I'm about to see what's inside South Africa's first container mall, 27 Boxes.
27 Boxes is home to over 100 stores and aims to create a space to encourage an art and design culture. The trendy suburb of Melville is the perfect location as there's no shortage of creativity here.
Hi, tell me a little bit about your pop-up store here.
Okay, my name is Aubrey, and the Poco Store that actually here is just me and my sister and stuff. And we're pretty much unique. We're different from any other pop-up shop. Whatever the thing that makes us unique, it's basically we actually customize. It separates us from any other pop-up shop. For example, if you can see there, this is my sister's work. She uses fabric paint, and you can take this, put it into your washing machine, it doesn't come off. So every piece that we have, or every outfit that we have, it's pretty much unique. It stands out. It's not some regular stuff that you're gonna find. You can even go to the mall, but we're pretty much unique. We just like to be different.
Okay, my name is Wishes Fende. I own this shop. My shop's name is Wishes Boutique. So here we do make all the stuff that we sell with the African fabrics, some from Nigeria, some from the West Africa. So what I like to be in this center is people can find me here and I can make custom-made stuff. So if people want any type of clothes for any occasion, they can get it easily from us here in South Africa.
"27 Boxes is definitely a unique shopping experience. You won't find your standard retail conventional shops here that you get in big shopping malls. These are independent, small businesses making distinctly South African products.
I came across this vintage clothing and accessories shop which had an assortment of collectible fashion pieces. This is one of the coolest retro shops I've been to. I spent quite a bit of time browsing through. It's stocked with clothing and gift items that give South African and international brands a cheeky twist. Like the Smarty Pants underwear. That was a lot of fun and nostalgic.
That today they're having a record sale or record fair, hence all these CDs, vinyls that are displayed outside here. Take a look at this. Gypsy Kings.
Well, you can't have a mall with no food now. There are a number of cozy corners and open spaces to sit and enjoy a light meal or snack. I chose to have a cronut. Not a donut, a cronut. I learned there's a difference. A cronut is a croissant donut pastry invented in 2013 by a New York City pastry chef named Dominic Ansel. It looks like a donut, but it's made from a croissant-like dough which is filled with flavored cream. Yummy!
Hi sis, how are you? Good, thank you. Can I have the chocolate and hazelnut donut, please?
Made only one.
Just one. I can't go two.
Okay, then one.
So, if you're feeling a bit cabin feverish and tired of doing your local shopping center, this might be a welcome change. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.